Good morning and welcome to Bang Saray. Look at this gorgeous temple behind me. Really intricate and so nice. Today is Friday, January 31, and tomorrow, February 1, is the day that I start my epic 3,000-kilometer, 50 days bicycle ride from Pattaya city in Thailand to the north of Vietnam to the city of Hanoi. What I wanted to show you now, as well as showing you this temple, look how intricate and beautiful this is. What a magnificent temple. That really is so beautiful. Really nice. Look at that. Beautiful indeed. One thing about Thailand, they've got some gorgeous temples here. They really do. Wanted to show you my bicycle because it's now fully packed. So there you go. Backpack number 1, backpack number 2. And that's pretty much all I'm taking with me. I've got a backpack on my own back, which contains my laptop. In here, I've got some tools and things in case I get a puncture, things like that. Got some oil for the chain. There's my bicycle lock. Got 2 lights on the front there, and got 2 lights on the back, just in case I'm riding in the dark sometimes. So I just wanted to show you the full setup of the bicycle. Oh, I've also got a ring-a-ding-ding bell. Ding, ding. So apart from that, I have the laptop on my back, which I will do a quick spin in a moment and show you that. Whoosh! So this is my backpack with the laptop in it. What we're going to do now is we're going to head off to my home at hyper mode, and I'll just see you there. Welcome inside my home. I'm going to show you now exactly what I'm taking on my bicycle ride. What does somebody need for 3,000 kilometers of bicycle riding? So if we look down here, the first thing we're going to start with is my shoes. I have 1 pair of shoes that I will be wearing for this trip. 5 pairs of socks I'm taking with me. 1 I'll be wearing, the other 4 are spares. The thing with socks is not always easy to make them dry after you've laundered them when you're traveling. So here's my hat, happy hat. See the happy faces? That's my happy hat. I have these custom made myself, extra long tails on them to stop my neck getting burnt. My trusty laptop computer, which I'll be making the YouTube videos on and keeping in contact with people. There's the laptop case. That will always be on my back. So this is a backpack that I'll be wearing, and there's the power cable for that. Moving along, I have 2 pairs of sunglasses. Not always easy to find snazzy sunglasses that fit and are comfortable. So I have, this is my first pair, but this pair here, a little bit more expensive. These ones, if you look inside there, you see these rubber kind of mounts that stop dust going in your eyes. So Thailand, the roads are not so dusty, even though it's coming into summer season now and it's quite dusty on the roads. When I get to Vietnam, I've heard that the Vietnamese roads are very packed with traffic. So these special sunglasses, I'm going to save those for Vietnam. There's my gloves. Here's my money belt bag. So I have my wallet there. I have my cell phone. Inside here I have passport, power bank, extra wallet with spare money. In here I have magnifying glasses. I'm getting older. Various power connecting cables for my earpods are in there. Power cable for the phone, power cable for the power bank. I have 2 backpacks which will be affixed to the rear of the bicycle. Moving along, let's have a look here. This is the case for my camera. If you want to see my camera, here we go. I use a Pocket 3, it's called. So this is what I'm using. Very small, very fantastic little camera there called the Pocket 3. So going back, this is the case for the Pocket 3. I have the microphones there. There's the actual safety case for the, there's the microphones. There's the case for the actual Pocket 3. In here are various adapters. I have a lens for a wide angle lens if I'm maybe at the beach or in the countryside. Laptop again. Oh, this gizmo here. 2 years ago, I did a walk from Pattaya to Phuket took me 48 days. Many hotel rooms did not have a plug for the sink. This is in the bathroom, not the kitchen. And I was not able to wash my clothes efficiently, my t-shirts and my shorts. So I bought that, only a couple of US dollars, but very handy. It's called a universal plug. Now here's something interesting. I'm taking a reduced pillow with me. If you look there, I've cut a hole and I've taken half of the stuffing out of this pillow. The reason being, my budget is very small for this this bicycle ride. It really is. So I'm going to be staying in the cheapest of the cheap hotels, and often the cheapest hotels have rock hard mattresses and they have pillows that are like bricks. So I just thought I'm going to put that in one of my backpacks there. Here's number 2 of my shirts. I'm wearing a number 1. I have 2 identical shirts. It says on the sleeve here, Jungle Hash, which is the Hash House Harriers, to Hanoi Hash House Harriers. The Hash is it has a nickname, or it has a moniker that it likes to use, a comical one, that says, we are a running club with a drinking problem. So basically we're a group of people worldwide that meet up, we go for a hike, and then afterwards we drink lots of beers and socialize and have good fun. So Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam. This is sponsored by the Wolfpack Hash House Harriers. I founded the Wolfpack Hash back in February of 2003. Over here, it has my name, Wild Wolf, my nickname, and it says 3000km Bike Hash 2025, so that's this year. I'm taking 2 pairs of shorts with me, so pair 1, pair 2. I'm taking some lightweight metal hangers, 3 of them, because again, these cheapy hotels that I'll be staying at often don't have any hangers, so just better I take my own. Here's a night shirt for sleeping in the nighttime. Here I have what they call a hash shirt, because I will be joining various Hash House Harrier groups along my bicycle ride. Over here, I've got scissors, bottle opener, and nail clippers, basically, and a nail file there. Here's a hat for swimming. There's a headband to go with my hash shirt, hash socks to go with my hash shirt, bungee cords for the back of the bicycle, which I haven't put on the back of the bicycle yet. That's what will attach the backpacks on the back of the bicycle. I'll show you that in the video, either before my talk now or afterwards, depending which way I edit the video. All right, and I've got some anti-rust, just like WD-40 for spraying on the bicycle. And here, very importantly, 2 pairs of undershorts with padded for your bum. So some nice padding there for your bum. Going back over here, got the toiletries. Taking some pegs with me again, not always easy to hang your clothes, so I'm taking some pegs, and I've got some washing powder in there. And then in this one, that's just basically extra tissues, things like basically toiletries. Got deodorant, razor, shaving foam, toothpaste, toothbrush, stuff like that in there. So there you go. Got a pump in case I need to put some extra air in my tires some mornings, and that's pretty much it. So there you have it, everything packed away neat and tidy into 3 separate bags. Now I'm ready to go cycling 3,000 kilometers to Hanoi, Vietnam. Here I come.